So Dad's got parts removed here. Got some axles. They got everything off this side here. We're good on both sides, he said. So yeah, both sides. Looks like they're right down to the bearings. And we're gonna check in on the owner operator. And he's busy cleaning parts here in the gas wash. Is this what everything you dreamed it would be, Peter?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, well. So they probably never came off this machine ever, so it's going to be a long cleaning process. We got some other ones lined up here, and they're going to probably end up throwing it over here just to dry it off. But these things get full of oil and grease and rust and everything like that. So they're doing their best to see what they can do. Might end up even finding that some of these are, look how dirty that is. It's just filthy. Look at all that grease in there.
You know, that grease is filthy.
But might find that some of these parts, even after cleaning, are no good, and they might have to replace it completely.
Well, just bearings and racing.
Yeah. So yeah. Anyways, this is what these guys have been on to here today, and I don't know when Peter showed up, but they got that stuff off there. Probably would have taken them about an hour. And oh, we got some metal work here that Dad was playing around with.
Cutter for this.
Yeah.
This is it. I've had this in stock for years.
Yeah.
That's on and off.
Okay.
And got a little cutter for cutting the welds.
Okay. Well, so that's that stainless steel Dad was talking about before. So it's hard to get out.
All these little welds have to be cut.
Yeah. All the way up.
This will peel up.
Yeah. So the intent here is they're going to roll that right up, and then Dad's going to put it in a brand new sheet of, and then they're going to cut out the front for access for the front, and I don't know when that's going to go in, but likely probably do some work in here first before we do there. But anyways, a little dusty. You can see the dust on the machine. They must have been doing a little more grinding here today. And our body and paint man on the 79, he conked out early last night, so don't know if he's showing up tonight or not, but still a couple days more work on there. We got the 318 Chrysler Industrial in the shop. Dad's still got to hook up the transmission in order to do the compression test. It may or may not go into this machine, but if it's not going into that machine and there's no bad compression, it's going to get parked outside. And yeah, so raining tonight. Got Nina was obviously coming home. Hi Nina. And Charles in charge is going to be staying in for sure. There is Schooner Shop Dog. He's just visiting, so he's going home. Kitty's going to be staying inside, but the other two peckerheads are outside, and we'll keep checking in on the progress with everybody.
When the door go right close, they bend on me.
Yeah.
I cut that much off.
Okay.
You don't use the stock hook on the door.
Okay.
Then it goes around here, marks the door, and then
Yeah. The rain grip there. Yeah.
when you got time, eh?
Okay. Dad said it's a lot easier if you got a cigarette in your mouth.
Think bag.
Okay, there you go.
I'll clean that up.
Yeah.
It's better if you light them too.
Yeah. So maybe what I might do is put the camera down and do a little sanding here just to help these guys out. So while Peter's cleaning up parts, I'm cleaning up the back and the floor here. Some of that liquid you see, the red liquid you see, is old coolant or transmission fluid or a bit of both. So I'm just using the vacuum to clean up a lot of the bigger chunks, the dry stuff. And then I got the wire brush in there, and then I also have the scraper. So I'm telling you guys, when you've got a machine in this state here, it's a hell of a lot easier cleaning it before you start putting everything back in instead of after. So I'm going to get this as clean as possible, just so we can use the gas wash on this. And Dad wanted to go right into the gas wash, but I didn't. I wanted to get all this crap out of here first before we went to that stage, because it's going to be a soup mix anyways. So that's what I'm doing. Peter's still washing parts. Dad's, I think, just put some tools away here for the day. But a little update for you guys. Look at our babies. Daisy Puckatawagan, garbage dog, on the left, and Filipino Emily on the right. We just love our dog houses.